The 15.6-inch 4K Android Car TV boasts a stunning high-definition IPS touchscreen, delivering an incredibly clear and detailed viewing experience for passengers. Running on the Android 11 operating system, this headrest monitor supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing seamless connectivity to your mobile phone's hotspot. The wireless mobile phone link feature enables easy screen mirroring between iOS and Android devices, making it convenient to stream content directly from your phone. With its universal mounting bracket, this monitor is compatible with over 98% of car models, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. It offers multiple audio playback options, including high-quality speakers, wireless Bluetooth headset compatibility, and FM transmission to your car's speakers. Equipped with various expansion ports such as HDMI and USB, this versatile monitor can connect to gaming consoles and other devices, enhancing in-car entertainment.